If the coordinates of the vertices of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D are given, then check whether if ABCD is a rhombus or not. So let us begin. So let's say we have a quadrilateral A, B, C, and D. Now A has the coordinates 2, 0. B has the coordinates 9, 1. C has the coordinates 11, 6. And D has the coordinates 4, 4. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll first begin by joining the diagonals AC and BD. We'll begin by first computing the midpoint of the diagonal AC. So to obtain the midpoint of diagonal AC, all we have to do is for the x-coordinate, sum of the x-coordinate of the endpoints. So the endpoints are A and C. So the x-coordinates are 2 and 11. So we're going to add them up and divide it by 2. Then to find out the y-coordinate, we're going to sum up the y-coordinate of the endpoint. So that's 0 and 6. So we're going to add 0 and 6 and we're going to divide it by 2. So this is going to give us a value. So 13 over 2. And then we have 6 over 2. That's going to be 3. In the next step, what we'll do, we'll try to find out the midpoint of the other diagonal. So we'll find out the midpoint of BD. So here also, we'll start with the x-coordinate. All we have to do is take the sum of the x-coordinates of the endpoints. So we have 9 added to 4, and we're going to divide it by 2. And then to find out the y-coordinate, we'll take the sum of the y-coordinates. So that's 4 plus 1. So that's going to be 4 added to 1 divided by 2. So here we have 13 over 2 and 4 plus 1 over 2. That's simply 5 over 2. Now clearly we observe here that the midpoint of AC, so that's not equals to the midpoint of the diagonal BD. So since the midpoints are not equal, so we can say that ABCD is not a parallelogram. And since it's not a parallelogram, that would mean that ABCD is not a rhombus. Hence, we have successfully showed that the given coordinates A, B, and C, and D of the quadrilateral is not going to be a rhombus.